Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of logo and brand identity, and we'll explore the essential elements that make up the strong brand, from captivating logos to cohesive visual identities. So to get started with this website, logoandbrandidentity.com, you need just to head on over to this site on Google or any other browser that you want. Then you need to choose the official site, that means the first one, and we have also these similar websites. Let's choose the first one. So after we click to that link, we go directly to the homepage or the interface of the website, where you can find your accounts and search bar and this key features here about the social, submit, network. So this one is called the home index store directory informations. And also we have this space for the account if you want to log in, if you have already an account, or if you want to join for the first time. You need just to click to this person here, and you have if you want to log in, by write your email, password, and login from here. And if this is first time to you in the website and you don't have an account yet, you need just to join and complete the following informations. So the first information will be your first name and last name. It's obligatory to be the information right and valuable. So for the first time, let's click Susan and let's write, excuse me. And for the last name, it's Brian. The email address. And you need to write a password and confirm it by rewrite it over here. Let's confirm the same password. And submit. Let's wait for a minute. So like you see with me over here, they tell us, thank you, we just sent you a confirmation email. Now the next step, you need to check your inbox to confirm the register. Let's do that now. Okay, give me 1 moment. So thanks for creating an account with the brand identity. To activate your account, click the following link, this one here. Let's click on it and wait for a moment until they confirm it. In this step, you need to select the membership option below. We have the standard and the support. It's in this price per month. With these services, like if you, for example, choose the standard, you can save articles, save directory items, save products, see your order history, and re-download digital products. And if you choose the support one with this price here, you will have all of the above, that means all of these services here. Receive 10% of your first order, support independent publishing, keep the site free of obtrusive ads, and help us to improve our content, and cancel at any time. So you need just to choose what you want from these two choices. And if you choose the support, there is some other information that you need to enter. It's about the payment, the number of the cards, the expiration date, the month, and the year. And the CVC code, that means the three last numbers that you will find them behind of the cards. And after that, you need just to click on subscribe to start using this website with these services over here. Now let's come back to the homepage to talk a little about all what they present to us. And the first or the most important service or the key feature that you absolutely gonna need on the brand identity, it's the brand guidelines. So once the logo and the brand identity elements are established, create brand guidelines or style grids that outline how the logo and visual elements should be used. These guidelines provide instructions on logo usage, color codes, typography rules, and overall design standard to maintain consistency across all brand communities. This is, like you see here, the guidance, and also about the consistency. The consistency is key to building a strong brand identity. Ensure that the logo colors, typography, and overall design language are consistently applied across all brand touchpoints, including websites, social media, marketing materials, and packaging. Consistency creates brand recognition and help establish a cohesive and personal images. Like this one you see here, this perfect image that they will change it to a logo or anything else. And it's also calls the imagery and visual elements. They determine if there are a specific imagery or visual elements that link with the brand and can be incorporated into the logo or other brand materials. This could include icons, patterns, illustrations, or photography styles that reinforce the brand identity and messages. Yeah, and once more, I talk a lot about the typography and this kind of the website. The select fonts or typeface or the typefaces that convey the brand's tone and styles. Typography can range from elegant and sophisticated to bold and playful. Choose fonts that are legible and suitable for various applications such as digital platform and print materials. So now let's back to the store to see the different logo and the brand's identity that you can find this on the site, and you will find them here. We have you can filter them by all books, posters, and digitals. And the sort by featured the newest to oldest, oldest to newest, the price low to height, or the price high to low. You will find price over here from until, from 12 until 27, and this is 27. The process floor. We filter by all. If you want just the books, you can just click on the books. If you want just the posters, you can just click on it, or the digital like example. They change quickly. So this is will be our video today. I hope you guys understand, and I hope you know this website for the first time and try it because it's very wonderful. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and next websites.